Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and on this video, we are going to be continuing on our lecture. So if you've not seen the part 1, part 2, part 3, please check it out. Because on this tutorial video, we are going straight to the character creation, scene creation, and the rest. So let's go. So this is the script, or rather the movie that we are working on. Do you still remember the story? Or don't forget. We are writing the scene of four friends that one of them got the opportunity, and it was the one that was looking unkept that got the opportunity. So let's just go straight down. You know how we got here now. This was the last creation that we did at the last video. So let's go. We've written our prompts now, so straight to the character generation. We are using Flow, Flow AI. Yowa. So this is what we are using to generate our character. So let's start. So Tunde Jensen. So we'll copy, go to Google Flow. We are creating it on one by one because this is our character, so we need their face. I told you why. So let's go ahead and create that. You see, I've not mentioned anything about paying for softwares or paying for anything, because for image generation, most of the tools, they are free. So it's when we get to the video generation, that's when you have to pay, because it's movie. You are doing a lot of generation. In fact, you are doing so many generation, like more than 50 scenes or so. So you must pay. So this is Tunde. Hmm, it's not looking bad. So guys, sorry, I got the call. I was saying that this our first character looks like that Obos the boss. Today we are creating the character. I don't think you will see any tutorial online that is this detailed. So we've set it now. So it's just for us to just copy everything and let's just create. Our characters are much, 5 characters. Okay, so they are creating. This is wow. So they are creating. I think this Tunde might be the dirty one. I've not gone through the script, funny enough, but from this creation, he is the one that is looking kind of unkept. So this is Informer, and then the person that gave them the whatever. So let's go ahead and download. You upscale it because we want our images to have high quality. So you can see that I'm downloading the upscaled version. Right? Yeah. So the next thing now, scene generation. There's a point that we'll get to in this creation that Flow might not allow us, but I will need to log in another of my email. But let's just go. So the next thing, we'll paste this prompt. All these prompts are available in my book. Very easy. Write the prompt to generate each scene using the short list and scene. I was correct before in each shot. So go. Let's send that in. Establishing, that is this ECU. So are you seeing now? So this is the prompt for each of the scene, right? So we can see that this thing is happening. Interior boys apartment, Yaba. So I will copy this first part. Let me take it to ChatGPT. We are creating movie. The reason we are going to create the scene is because you know some movies at a particular scene there are different characters for each days. Like let's say today now we act in this room, tomorrow we'll act in this room. To maintain this room now we have to generate this room first. So that's what we are doing. We have to generate because we don't know if we are going to use this room again in other scenes. So that's why you have to generate the background of your scene first before you go into imputing the characters inside. Because sometimes the character they might change outfits and the rest. So that thing I copied, we paste it here, and then we'll say write a detailed prompt to create the interior. So let's see. So let's take it to flow. But this time around we are, oh shit. This thing just restarted. Okay, so let's see. Hmm. So we are changing the resolution now to 16 by 9. We started working now. We've gotten our actors. So let's start generating. So let's go back to the shot. So the shot one, the hustle, a gritty high resolution, extreme close up, a heavy hot charcoal, a heavy hot charcoal iron pressed down hard on a chip. So let's just copy this. This room is ugly. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus. So I need to go and understand what happened in this first scene first before we continue. Let's go back. Let's understand what happened. You said Tunde. I said it is Tunde that is the. So I want to copy scene one now. I'm going to paste it somewhere because. So, right. So let me copy scene one. Hmm. When did this thing end? Think I shall not yet to come and help me. Ah, calm down. So this is where it ends. Let me go and paste it in Word. So so on this thing now we have the four of them. Emeka. So we have Emeka, the former, Shegun. This is former. So between these three now, do you know which is which? Do you know which is which? This first one is Tunde. Tunde is now among that the first scene, so we are not. So it's just these two, but they did not distinguish these two character. Chai. Okay, let's copy our prompt. This place now. What do you want to change? If you notice the difference, this place is what do you want to create a fresh image. Now we already have our saying, so now they're not asking us what do you want to change. So this is what we want to change. We'll paste the integrated prompt. We have Emeka, so let's go and copy prompt for Emeka. This thing is calculation. No, you know your brain no carry am, just forget about it. Mm-hmm. It's not even in this short list. Hey, so we have Emeka. Let's paste the prompt here. Open bracket, close bracket. Shegun. So to distinguish it, Shegun is the one that has BS. Ifoma, she's the only girl. The Emeka, no BS. Tunde, glasses. So this is our hint. So sorry that this tutorial is very very short. I'll have to go now. My boss just called. Yeah. So I don't know when I'm promising because I have a lot to do this period, but just keep yourself busy. Try and see if you can create the scene from the characters, like that. And I'll see you on my next video. Again, pick the sense from the nonsense. And if you find this video very helpful, comment, like, share, and do all those stuff. Ciao, ciao. I have to go. See you.